Thank you for taking the time to learn about the new provider portal and empowering smiles everywhere. In this tutorial, we're discussing practice management tools. Once you've registered for the new provider portal, and depending on your role, you may need to edit information about your dental office. After signing into the portal, navigate to Practice Tools, and then Practice Profile. Here you'll find options for editing business, location, and provider details. It's best to check this information periodically to keep it as up-to-date as possible. This helps ensure your dental office gets paid seamlessly, and it also affects the Find a Dentist tool. If any of this info is no longer valid, click on Request Update on the right. On the next page, make the necessary corrections and click Submit. Please note, any request will need to be reviewed before the change is reflected in the portal. If you have multiple locations and only need to make changes to a specific location, navigate back to Practice Profile and either select the location you'd like to edit from the list or search for the location using the Choose Location drop-down. This will take you to the Location Details page. At the top, you'll see General Information, Contact Information, and Restrictions and Accessibility. Just below that are active participating networks for the location. Further down on the left, you'll notice the list of providers for this specific location. You can select a provider and see more detailed info on the right. You'll be able to see info such as if they're accepting patients, languages spoken, active participating networks, and so on. To make changes, click Request Update in the top right. This will bring you back to that same form we mentioned earlier. Finally, you can also view information by provider. Navigate back to the dental office profile page and either select the provider from the list or use the Choose Provider drop-down to search. This view offers another way for you to see vital information and cross-reference it. Similar to the location view, you'll see general information at the top, followed by active participating networks. And further down, you'll be able to select from a list of locations associated with the provider. Once you select a location, you'll get even more detailed info for that provider at this location, as well as info on active and non-active networks. Just like before, if you need to make a change to any of this information, click Request Update at the top and fill out the form. If you have any questions, simply go to the Resources tab and click Contact Us. Thanks for listening and for being a valued member of the Delta Dental Network. Together, we can build a healthier tomorrow.